I am going to show you how to make this perfect Nigeria buns. My buns recipe is very crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. Let's meet the buns ingredients. I'm going to be using egg, 1 room temperature egg. Then I'm going to be using sugar. Then I'll go ahead and add some milk, warm milk. Then I'll go ahead and whisk this together. Just combine the ingredients until it's very creamy. Go ahead and add your butter, melted butter. Then add vanilla extract just to give it extra flavor. I like vanilla extract a lot in my snacks. If you have been following my recipe, you see I add vanilla extract a lot in my snacks. Whisk this together to combine all your ingredients. Buns is one of those snacks that can put the ingredients together to get a perfect buns. Add your dry ingredients like your flour. I'm going to add my flour. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. I'm using like a quarter teaspoon of salt, baking powder. I'm also needing baking powder. You need baking powder for your buns. Then go ahead and you add your nutmeg as well. Combine all the ingredients together to get your buns dough. Nigeria buns is very delicious and it's very crunchy and is very crispy. Mix all your ingredients thoroughly, like 3 to 5 minutes. Let your dough sit about 15 to 30 minutes. Preheat your oil and start scooping your butter to get your crunchy buns. Nigeria buns is very easy. It doesn't matter if your buns do not come out like a fully round, it doesn't matter. But remember to reduce the heat when you're frying your buns, because the longer you fry it in your oil, the crunchier your buns will become. If you want your buns to be very crunchy, reduce the heat while you are frying it. The more the buns stay in the oil, the more you get a crunchy buns. If the temperature is too high, you might find your buns that will get golden brown fast and your buns might not be fully cooked on the inside. So you reduce the heat to medium heat when your oil is fully hot. Our buns is ready. I'm going to remove it from the oil and put it in kitchen paper towel to extract the excess oil. If you have any question regarding this buns, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Quick tip about buns: please do not overwork your butter, so you don't really need to overwork your butter when you are making your buns. And please remember to reduce the heat if you want to get a perfect cooked buns. So this is how the outcome of our buns. You can see it look very crunchy. My kids can't wait to start eating this. If you have any question about my buns recipe, please don't hesitate in dropping it in comment section. Remember to share this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please remember to subscribe and please like this video as well. I'll see you in my next video. Please follow me for more recipes.